Selamat malam semuanya. Ya, saat ini kita masih berada di kapal pesiar termewah di dunia di sini guys ya. Ya, sekarang kita ada permainan di sini, permainan bingo, yaitu permainan untuk ya pokoknya berhadiah. Keren banget di sini guys. Pokoknya hadiahnya wow di sini. Wow banget deh hadiahnya. Nanti tinggal disaksikan aja, kita lihat nanti apakah kita dapat apa tidak nanti hadiahnya di sini ya. Ada PS5 yang terbaru juga di sini. Pokoknya oke banget deh. Pokoknya nggak bakalan rugi deh kalau kita dapat hadiahnya guys. Di sini teman-teman masih pada ngantri semua di sini buat nunggu untuk membeli tiketnya di sini aja tuh, kita bisa lihat. Pokoknya di sini banyak banget guys ya, tinggal kita nunggu aja. Tiketnya di sini harganya cuma 5 euro di sini guys ya, yaitu sekitar 25.000 rupiah kalau di convert ke Indonesia rupiah di sini guys ya. Tuh, bisa disaksikan ya. So, tetap aja disaksikan guys sampai video ini selesai ya. Ya, pokoknya kita bakalan lihat semuanya nanti siapa ya pemenangnya di sini ya. Ya, oke guys. Oke teman-teman semuanya, di sini kita masih ngantri nih untuk beli tiket di sini ya. Sini kru-krunya ini mancanegara di sini, bukan hanya dari Indonesia tapi juga sekitar 45 negara di sini guys ya. Jadi kita di teaternya ini. Di teaternya di sini, pokoknya kapal pesiarnya mewah banget di sini guys. Di sini kita ngambil tiketnya. Ya guys, di sini teaternya, tempat permainannya di sini ya guys ya. Kita bakalan bermain bingo di sini, di teaternya ini. Ya teman-teman sekalian, kita sudah ada di dalam teater nih guys ya. Kita lagi menunggu untuk permainannya dimulai di sini ya. Pokoknya bingo ini bakalan seru banget deh malam ini, karena ini semua pesertanya yaitu semua kru kapal pesiar di sini guys ya. Pokoknya di sini bakalan ngetren banget nih guys ya. Pokoknya disaksikan aja di sini, dan hadiahnya juga ya lumayan oke banget ya di sini guys. Jadinya guys, ini kartu bingo kita di sini guys ya. Kita dapat warna kuning di sini. Oh, pokoknya ditunggu aja itu dia tuh. Nah, nanti kita saksikan. Ya teman-teman sekalian, ini kita sudah ada di dalam teaternya ya di sini. Kita masih menunggu untuk dimulainya permainan bingo di sini guys ya. Pokoknya doain saja semoga kita berhasil mendapatkan hadiah utamanya di sini, yaitu berupa PS5 yang baru saja keluar nih guys ya. Pokoknya disaksikan terus ini permainan sampai selesai. Pokoknya bakalan seru banget deh, karena ini diikuti oleh semua kru-kru kapal pesiar dari mancanegara di sini guys ya. Oh. Tempatnya juga di sini, kita berada di teater di sini, itu sebuah tempat pertunjukan yang berada di kapal pesiar di sini ya. Itu dia kapal pesiar termewah tentunya ya.
Okay, who did I forget? Dobry wieczór. Assalamualaikum. Good Hamid. So, who did I forget here?
Magandang gabi!
Magandang gabi, kuya, kumusta? Very nice. So guys, we're gonna start with our bingo. Are you ready to get some prizes? Are you ready to win? let's make our guests here as well. Are you ready to win?
Yes!
So guys, we're gonna start with our bingo game. Do you know the rules?
Yes.
No, because I've never played the game, so I'm gonna just twist this thing here. We're gonna put the balls inside of these tiny holes. You're gonna love it, right? And then the first round that we are playing is right here. So the one who will win, you'll get some numbers that are all the way in those corners. So it's supposed to be 4 numbers, right? And you're right. And you? Not yet. Let's see. So we're gonna start. Rolling, rolling.
It's 065.
Oh, 60.
Woo! It's just all.
One thing, mark your numbers on your sheet with an X. Don't cover it all on the whole field. We need to check the numbers at the end if you win. Okay, so please just make an X.
Yeah, and you cross them on the sheet. It's a long E, okay, not a short one. So we go to the next one. It's a G. Okay, it's B number 9. Ow! What's up?
You're so exciting.
I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. G number 51. And there is one more ball here. It's O. My God, no, it's just O. 61. O 61. And I think it's the time for a small raffle. What do you think?
Yes!
Yes. Who said yes?
Woo!
Someone there, huh? No, 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 no.
So we have different prizes here for the raffle. There are some really good prizes, a camera, and maybe a towel later.
Shall we start with the woof? Have you ever done a husky tour in Norway? If you have never done a tour with a husky, you can get a husky right here. He's gonna warm you up when you sleep. So, shall we start with the husky? Here we go.
Here are all names from all our crew members. And the first one,
Make sure you shuffle properly.
who's winning this super cute puppy, is number 018753.
Batula Ervin Danieles. Kuya, are you here? Batula Ervin! Ervin Batula, that's him. Ta-da! Ervin, do you have kids? Ervin, do you have kids at home? No? Now we have a kid on board. Okay, Julie, what do you think? Shall we keep on going or it's time to go? Complicated, but I hope you all know how it works, right? Do you?
Yes.
So, it's gonna be a cross. You're supposed to have the 8 correct numbers. And it's going from...
Yes.
Did you see my bald hair? Okay, so it's supposed to be a cross. X, but just one X, not 3. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes.
First one, it's G50.
G50.
And we
Right.
got one more. It's O63. Woo!
Short happiness.
There's one more. Julie?
It's B14.
P14.
Almost.
One more.
One more. Whoop. So it's N35. You wanna have some raffle? Yes, just this part. Okay, very nice. Let's divide you in two parts. Actually three. The central, the left and the right. Who is louder? In the middle? You guys sleeping or not? Very nice. Okay, here we're gonna go with our raffle. Choose what would you like to give?
He wants to have the PlayStation, I know. The number is...
Hadiah pertama dapat speaker itu dia tuh. Tuh, dapat JBL. Oh, mantap.
Applause, please.
Apa itu tadi? Rapel dia tadi.
I'm sure it's okay. Can I have your name? Can you take it for me? Shukran, Jamel. Okay, applause for Jamel. He just got a... So we got the first one. So it's I-19. And there is one more right here in my hands. And it's 62. I know, guys, you're all excited to see 69, but it's somewhere here.
Do you want to have another raffle round? Yes, okay. So, what can we choose? Maybe something to clean your teeth.
Maybe this camera?
No.
No? Okay.
I'll already choose. So,
Guys, do you wash your mouth properly? Are you sure? Okay, somebody come on the stage, please, and show us how you brush your teeth. Okay, we're gonna choose one person now. And it's coming. And it's coming. Are you excited?
I knew someone who needs a toothbrush.
Not too much, Kevin, for sure. Oh my God. And it's a God. It's 053503. Artadana Deva Komang Prima. Deva. Deva means God in Bahasa. In the Indonesian language. So let's greet Artadana Deva. Swastiastu.
Congratulations.
Yes.
And do you want to be the next one?
Can you show us how to brush the teeth? No? Okay, next time, next time.
Want to choose one?
You want to choose the next one?
Yes, please. For this very nice mind shift towel.
So it's a number. Sukses mau beli. Selamat tidur. And it's 034-432. It's Alinsu Patrick Fuego. Mucho fuego, amigo. Where are you? Alinsu Patrick Fuego. He's sleeping.
Okay.
Okay, so he got a towel.